Polynomials. A polynomial is an expression in which the exponent of the variable are whole numbers. Exponent means power. Power of any number is a whole number. 0, 1, 2, 3. For example, example of polynomials are 3x plus 2. Here power of x is 1. It's a polynomial. X square minus 5x plus 6. His power of x is square. X power, if there is no power return, it means it is 1. 5 raised to power x plus 6. 4y cube plus 2y minus 1. Here y is power is 3 and y power is 1. These are all examples of polynomials. Whereas not polynomials, 1 by x negative exponent. If we have variable negative terms, that this is not a polynomial. Under root x fractional exponent, this is not a variable. 2 raised to power x variable in exponent, this is not a polynomial. I hope it's clear. Degree of polynomials. Let's begin. The highest power of the variable is called the degree of the polynomials. What it means, they have given an expression, and the highest power of the variable is, what is here? 8x cube plus 4x square plus 2x plus 1. What is it? 3. So degree of polynomial is 3. Okay. Next one. 4x square y square plus 2x square y plus 3x plus 2. As you know, they have given us variable x square, y square, x plus, we have to add the powers. 2 plus 2 become 4, x power is 4, x square, there is no power of y, it means 1, 2 plus 1, 3, and x power is 1. So, what is the highest power of the variable here? X square, y square, because its sum is 4. So, degree of polynomial is 4x square, y square. Answer. I hope it's clear. Types of polynomials. So let's begin. The polynomials have three types: monomials, binomials, and trinomials. So let's begin. What are monomials? It is a type of polynomials having a single term. For example, 3x square plus 4y square plus 5xy. I hope it's clear. Having a single term is called monomials. Now, what is next? Binomials. A binomials is a polynomials having two terms. Example, 2y square plus 7, 3x square plus 9. So, in an expression having two terms is known as binomials. Having single term is known as monomials. Now, what is left? Trinomials. A trinomial is a polynomial that consists of three terms. For example, 7x square plus 2x plus 6, 3y square plus 2y plus 9. I hope it's clear. Having three terms is known as trinomials, having two terms is known as binomials, and having one term is called monomials. I hope it's clear. Find out which one is monomials, binomials, and trinomials respectively in the following examples. So, let's begin. Number 1, 2x cube y plus 2. Tell me, which one is having two terms is known as, think about it. Yes, right. Binomial. Binomials. Having one term is known as monomials. Right? Having 1, 2, 3 terms is known as trinomials. Trinomials. Having 3 terms is known as trinomials. Again, trinomials. Having 2 terms is known as binomials. I hope it's clear. It's degree of polynomials of these expressions. So let's begin. 2x cube y plus 2. As you know, highest power of any variable is known as is degree of polynomial. So 2x cube y plus 2. What is the variable here? X and y. What are its power? 3 plus 1. Having no power, it means 1. 3 plus 1, 4. Degree of polynomial here is 4. Now, 4xy, what is the power of it? Variable x power 1, y power 1, 1 plus 1, 2. Okay. Number 3. What is the highest power here? 3x square y plus 4xy plus 9. So, added 2 plus 1, 3. 1 plus 1, 2. So, which one is the highest one? First one. So, what is which term? First term. So, you will say 3x square y is the degree of polynomial and its power is, what is it? 3. So you will write only 3 here, not 3x square y. Okay? Because they are asking us degree of polynomials. Tell the degree of polynomials. I hope it's clear. Number 4, 2x square plus 4x plus 3. So what is the highest power here? 2x square, 2. So what is the degree of polynomial here? 2.